So we have RJ coming in tomorrow. He's bringing his 2012 GMC 2500 HD. He's a vet, been working in the dealerships and stuff, been in the industry for quite a long time. Doesn't usually let anybody touch his truck, but tomorrow we're gonna meet with him on the details because he's gonna have us do a build for him. We met briefly.
We met briefly. How you doing? This is my wife, Manaz.
Hi, Sean.
This is my daughter, Malika.
Hello. So it's almost go time, huh?
It is almost go time.
We're excited. It's going to be a fun one. So I've got a 2012 GMC 2500 HD four-wheel drive, and then you're doing the 6.5-inch lift. Correct. The BDS. Yes. And then the wheels and tires of the Hostile Havoc 20x10 -19s.
Correct.
And you did the 35 13.5 Nitto Ridge Grappler.
Correct, and they were already mounted and balanced in the back of your shop.
Cool. We've got those already too.
Yeah.
We will go take a peek at the truck, but he's trying to decide gloss black or matte black decals for the custom offsets and the custom offsets lifted. But he wants the custom offsets lifted as low as you put it in the center of the back glass like you've been doing.
Okay. Okay. A lot better. Okay.
Yeah.
As shiny as your truck is?
Yeah.
Mr. Baker.
What up?
Mr. RJ's 2012. It's his baby. Be very nice to it.
It's not gonna be his baby after next week.
And it's gonna be all grown up.
He's having a baby.
Oh yeah, he's having a baby. Can we get it done by Thursday?
The whole thing with him picking up is when he has a baby.
I know.
If she goes into labor Thursday, he's not gonna come pick it up Thursday. If she goes into labor Friday,
but we
he's
can
not gonna
still
come.
have it done.
No promises.
You cooperating?
With a little persuasion. Rear is done.
Rear is done. Cool.
Moving our way to the front. Should have all the front out on the ground for our update tomorrow.
You thought you'd be further by now.
Yep, sure did.
I can tell by your voice. So how you doing for timeline? Did you?
We're doing great for Friday. Yeah, he ain't coming to get it Friday either if he's having a kid, so.
I think we'll make the call tomorrow. Building fenders?
Yeah.
Couldn't trick the painter into doing it?
Nah.
What is the plan? It's at alignment, coming back?
Put flares on, check the final fitment and retorque it.
Sweet. So that's not a truck?
No, it was not a truck.
What'd you do with RJ's truck?
It's done, so it's hiding from the camera.
She's all done? Totally done?
All done. It needs to be detailed, but it's all done.
What about the parts we broke?
And that. So,
Did they say when they'll be here?
he did not tell me when it'll be here, but it sounded like I can get them tomorrow
This
morning.
is not how you remove stainless steel trim. So these are ordered?
Ordered.
What did you do to me? Why did you break me?
That wasn't me.
They think they'll get those here in time?
Yeah, sounds like it.
And then
he
you guys
really
will just
doesn't know.
deliver it to them?
Yeah.
Cool.
How you doing?
How's it going?
Doing good.
How's this week? It's a pretty busy week for you.
Yes, very busy week. Had a baby,
Yeah,
getting my truck back. I'm excited.
absolutely. We'll get you your truck back then and
Sounds
go
good.
home and the whole family can.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Are you ready? I hear it. I hear it.
Look, Dad.
I want to look, but I can't yet. Is it nice? Is it awesome? I can't look yet. I can't look yet. I can't. I can't look yet.
1 second.
Is it nice? Is it nice?
No, Daddy.
All right, you can turn around.
Oh, wow. Excellent job, guys.
Everything you dreamed of?
Oh, yeah. It's better. No doubt about it. Excellent. I'm so happy. Wow, does that look nice? Excellent job.
Right?
Excellent
A little
job.
bit. 6.5 inch BDS.
Yes.
With the Fox shocks, you got your new stainless steel brake lines in there.
Okay.
You did have the leveling keys in them before.
Yes.
So the keys are turned down as far as they will go.
Okay.
Now. So this thing rides like it's on a cloud.
Okay, good.
So there's no
that's
rigidity
exciting.
in the front end, anything like that. You can see you got the 4-inch block in the rear because you wanted it level. You didn't
Yes,
want the rake.
correct.
With the Fox shocks back there too.
Yes.
And then the 35 13.5. So on those 20 by 10s, you got some sidewall.
Yes,
Some
that's
good
what I
protection
wanted.
on there. How big you say that is? 4.5
Yeah,
inch
4.5.
lip? 4.5 inch lip on there. So big enough lip, you don't have to worry about cleaning it too much.
Right. And I bought your guys' kit too to clean, so.
Perfect.
Yeah.
With the fender flares, you want the max coverage.
Yes.
So these are going to cover, I mean, as you can look down the side of it
Yeah,
there.
it's almost flush, right?
Yep, exactly. So these are actually going to do their job.
Awesome. Yeah.
The door molding, we got rid of the stainless, we got new door molding on there.
Thank you. Sorry you guys had that problem.
No, it's all part of it. So
That's awesome.
The plow mount might be a little less useful than it used to be. but-
Understood. I will definitely be telling the world to come here. Nice job, man. Nice job. Couldn't be happier. Excellent
Good.
work.
Good.